Stop buying levels that complicate simple jobs. The Keson LKTRF is the easy reading default. Choose the LKTFM for magnetic hold and tougher projects. Choose by readability, magnetic hold, durability, and project frequency. For most home projects, buy the Keson LKTRF ABS plastic rounded torpedo level. Its clear vials and stiff, compact body make shelves, cut marks, closet fittings, and quick repairs easier. The square end also helps with smaller layout tasks. You aren't paying extra for job site features you may never use. But the plastic body isn't intended for constant rough treatment. Skip it if you need magnetic attachment, a pipe groove, or a dedicated 45-degree vial. Choose Keson's 9-inch LKTFM aluminum torpedo level when regular projects involve steel framing, pipes, or rough conditions. Its sturdy aluminum frame handles repeat use, and the detachable magnet frees your work surface. A V-shaped channel steadies it on pipe, while easy-to-see vials simplify alignment. You'll pay more than for the basic model, and metal dust can cling to the magnet. Skip it for occasional pictures and shelves. The LKTRF is the better value choice. Quick split. Choose the LKTRF for everyday household repairs and better value. Choose the LKTFM for frequent work involving metal, pipe, or rougher handling. Before buying, check your storage space, typical project surfaces, need for hands-free magnetic hold, and whether pipe work is actually common. Start with the LKTRF if you want a dependable home level without overspending. Switch to the LKTFM when magnetic hold, pipe work, and long-term toughness justify the premium. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.